Hello everyone, welcome to this free workshop preparation video for Python for satellite data processing and visualization. My name is Alphonse Priando from BMKG Indonesia. This video will help you to get familiar with Google Colab before the workshop. By the end of this session, you will know how to open and navigate Google Colab, install library, connect Google Drive, download and access data, open notebook from GitHub, and use the AI assistant. Okay, let's begin. Before we talk about the collab, let's recognize a common problem many Python users face when during installation. People often struggle with questions like which Python version should I use? Why did my library fail to install? Why does the code work on the instructor laptop but not on mine? And why is my laptop too slow for satellite data? These issues are very common because everyone use different device like Windows, Mac, or Linux. The result can be different or inconsistent. So this is why cloud-based tool like Google Colab are very helpful. Yeah, Google Colab is a browser-based Jupyter Notebook environment that enable to write, execute, and share Python, R, Julia code with zero local installation. The keyword is zero local installation. Uh, this gives us several advantages. You can get access to powerful cloud hardware. Even the free version give you around 12 gigabytes of RAM and free GPU. For satellite data processing, which usually involve large file and heavy computation, this is very helpful. Now, before using Colab, it's important to know about the strength and limitation of Google Colab. Now we expand the strength a little. The first, it's free for everyone. The second is collaborative, just like Google Doc. You can share notebook easily. Third, many important library are installed. And four, you get free GPU access. And finally, you can access your notebook from any device and anywhere. And as shown on the slide, there are limitations. The first session can be timed out, especially after long inactivity. Runtime storage is temporary, so be careful. Um, File not saved to drive can disappear. Local version can change over time, and it's not suitable for confidential data because it's run in the cloud. And of course, you need to a stable internet connection. Understanding this point will help you use Colab smoothly during the workshop. Okay, let's move on the practical part. I will guide you step by step to things you need to prepare before the workshop. Let's begin. Okay, open on your web browser and go to collab.research.google.com. You will see a few options. New notebook, starting from a blank notebook, and upload if you already have IPyNB file. GitHub, useful when instructors share material there. And Google Drive, for for your personal project. During the workshop, we might use all, but for now, just click New Notebook. This will open a fresh notebook running in the cloud. Okay. When your notebook open, you will see the main workspace. On the left side, the file panel show your working directory, and in the center you have shell. This is where you try write and execute Python code or add some text, and you can add some text is not execute. Okay. On the top left, you will see the default name, untitled. Click and rename your notebooks to something more meaningful. For example, Python satellite and your name, and enter. Renaming early help keep your Google Drive organized in later. So let's try a simple test to make sure everything is working. In the new cell, type print hello satellite and run the script using click the button, and you can see the output hello satellite. Okay, the next is installing library. Caleb already included many basic scientist library like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. You can test it by typing exclamation. This is a syntax for install some library in Python. For example, I type pip install NumPy and run the script. We can check we get requirement already satisfied. It means NumPy is already installed in Google Colab. But satellite related library like SatPy, CartoPy are not installed by default. Let's try to installing one. Pip install CartoPy. CartoPy. CartoPy is Python library for making map and plotting geospatial data. Then the run cell, it might take a moment depending on your connection. In this case, installing successfully. So we can call the package using import CartoPy. Yeah, it's work. Okay, the next is using Linux command in Colab. Colab also allow to run Linux command. For example, to download a sample Himawari 9 images, we can type exclamation wget and the link of the data or image. For in this case, we using the BMKG images from Himawari satellite. We can copy the link and paste here and run the code. We can check already download. The file will download in the file panel on the left side. Yeah, like this. Can open. Just double click and open the file. Okay, and the next is connecting to Google Drive. Yeah, because satellite data file are usually large and runtime storage in Colab is temporary, it's safer to store them in Google Drive. And to do that, we first need to mount the drive. Type sorry, type from Google Colab. Yeah, Google Colab import drive. Okay, it's autocomplete and run the script. Need to permit this notebook to access your Google Drive. Just click connect to Google Drive. Uh, Select your account. Click continue and continue again. After giving permission, you will see your drive appear on the left panel. From this point, you can save any file to Google Drive to ensure it's not lost. Okay, this one. This is my Google Drive directory. It's not in Google Colab. This is in Google Drive. Okay, after that, for now, when you want to open notebook directory from GitHub into Google Colab, the process is very simple. The first, click file, select file, and open the notebook. This one. And after that, on the left side on the window, select GitHub. Here you can paste URL from GitHub repository or direct the link. Okay, I will try to copy this my GitHub account. For example, I want to copy the link. This one example code. Right click, copy the link, and paste here. Just enter. Yeah, this is code from GitHub. This method is very useful when instructors share material using GitHub. For the test script, we can run all. Connect to Google Colab. This one is just connect. Download the satellite image, and after that, save the image and save image to Google Drive. Yeah, we can save your activity in Google Drive, and after that, display the image using the script and like this. Display on Google Colab. Yeah, Colab included the Gemini AI assistant, which can help you to in two way. The first is generate simple script. For example, you can ask the AI create a Python script to download um, file from. Okay, I'm using this URL and run the script. It will generate something script, yeah, like this, and you have multiple choice like accept and run, accept and cancel. In this case, I select the accept and run, so I can run the script generated by AI. And the other feature in AI, we can fix code error if you uh, mistake type. For example, you remove the letter and run the script, you can get some error, and you can get explain error using AI. It's very helpful, um, especially for beginner in Google Colab or Python programming. You can see with the error and get suggestion to fix it, and select the accept and run. Okay, like this. Okay, to save your notebook, you can go to file and save a copy in drive. Don't forget, this is code basically from GitHub, not your script, and you can get a copy or the code. Okay, you can check your code in Google Drive. And the next is you can download the script using file and download, and you can save your script. Okay, the other feature in Colab is you can share your notebook, so you can collaborate your colleagues to generate some code or modify some code. For example, I share my code to another account. Yeah, you can select as editor, viewer, or commenter and send the script. Share anyway. Yeah, if you want to do all these steps before the workshop, you are already well prepared. Thank you for watching this workshop video. I'm looking forward to working with you all. See you.